Welcome to in this channel Mechanical Engineer. My name is Hiren Patel and we are on the journey of mechanical engineering. So today I talking with Sem 2 student of Diploma Mechanical Engineer and of course start with new subject Applied Mechanics. So first of all friends, in GTU examination the credit of this subject is 5 and first of all in this subject which chapters are which we are studying, so please note down it which are given in the board. First is introduction, second coplanar concurrent forces, third one is coplanar non-concurrent forces, fourth center of gravity and centroid, fifth friction, sixth simple machine, and after that last one is work, power and energy. So let's start with the first chapter of this subject, introduction. So in introduction, which topics which are study in introduction. So first is engineering mechanics, scalar and vector quantities, fundamental units, derived units, system of units and conversion of units. So friends, first of all, first topic of engineering applied mechanics. So first topic is engineering mechanics. So I question to you, I ask the question, what is engineering mechanics? So the definition, you are note down this definition. It is the branch of applied science which solve the problem of engineering with the help of laws and principles of engineering mechanics. Further classification of engineering mechanics is two types. There are first one is statics and second is dynamics. So what is statics and what is dynamics? So first is statics. In statics, to study of force and effects on the static body, and dynamic, in the dynamic, to study of forces and its effects on dynamic body. Further classification of dynamics in two parts. There is kinetics and kinematics. So what is kinetics? To study of both force and motion on the body, and kinematics to study of only the motion developed by the force. So after that, second topic of this introduction part, there is scalar quantity and vector quantity. So what is scalar quantity? The magnitude is required, only the magnitude is required for describe the quantity, so it called a scalar quantity. The example of scalar quantity is length, mass, time, etc. And after that, what is vector quantity? So the magnitude and direction both are required to describe the quantity, so it is called a vector quantity. The example of vector quantity is velocity, linear acceleration, linear displacement, momentum, etc. So friends, third one part is fundamental units. What is fundamental units? So the units of fundamental quantities, it is called fundamental units. There is three fundamental units. First one is meter, then after kilogram, and third one is second. What is the quantity? Length, mass and time, meter, kilogram and second. Then after derived units, which units are derived from fundamental units or the combination of two or other units, so it is called derived units. Example of these units is meter per second or meter per second square. So the meter per second is the unit of velocity and meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. Then after system of units. So system of units. In the system of unit, there is three system. First is British system. British system is used in British, also in England. In British system, there is FPS system, foot, pound and second method, which we are talking in the first lecture of SEM 1 in engineering physics. And then after, second method is metric. In metric method, there are CGS and MKS units. CGS, what is? CGS is centimeter gram second method, and third one is MKS, meter kilogram second, and then after SI units, SI system. This system of units, four system. First one is British system, there is metric system and SI system. In metric system, there are two systems, CGS and MKS. Friends, there are some conversion of units. So first one is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter is equal to 1000 mm. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kgf unit is equal to 9.81 Newton per meter square. 1 kilonewton is equal to 1000 Newton. 1 meganewton is equal to 10 raised to 3 Newton. Kilonewton is equal to 10 raised to 6. Here our all the topics of this chapter is already complete. And if you have any query, so please ask on comment box. And after that, if you like this video, so please like, share on your friends and subscribe my channel. After that, also we shall meet in next session and new some subjects and topics